Hello and welcome to another edition of Simple and Delicious Desserts, right here on Majid's Kitchen. Today we make mango and pandan coconut jellies. Check out the other video for soft coconut crepes. Let's talk about the ingredients for this recipe. We have 300 ml of coconut milk, 30 grams of white sugar, 5 grams or 1 teaspoon of Agar Agar powder, and a good pinch of salt. These three items for the coconut milk are for the pandan and coconut side of the recipe. Here we have 300 ml of mango puree, and we are using 5 grams or 1 teaspoon of Agar Agar, 20 grams of white sugar, depending on the sweetness of your mango puree. I have some plastic cups over here, of which I will be pouring these into. And another ingredient that goes into the coconut milk is pandan leaf. I have a piece of pandan leaf. I bought this from the grocery store and kept it in the freezer, which you can freeze, or you could dry and use it in curries. So this is going to be used to seep in with the coconut milk. And later on, as we progress in the video, I will divide that mixture into two and put a little bit of pandan essence and coloring for a green color. So we'll have two different colors of these coconut jellies. Let's begin the process. Take the coconut milk and we'll add in the pinch of salt, followed by the 5 grams or 1 teaspoon of Agar Agar. And I'm going to just give it a quick stir. And we're going to leave this to kind of bloom for a few minutes before we put it back on the stove and heat it up. Agar Agar really activates by use of heat. So that's the next step. We will add in the sugar into the mango puree, put it on the stove and do the same thing. So we'll be right back and show you how that is done. The mango puree and sugar until the sugar dissolves, and whilst you do that, get a kettle on and boil some water. So we need to keep this hot because as it cools, the Agar Agar will start setting, and because we're doing this in layers, we need to keep the Agar Agar or the mixture at a warm temperature so it doesn't solidify. Add it to the pan. Okay, and I have it on medium heat, and we are going to add in the 30 grams of sugar. So you should taste a light sweetness with a hint of salt coming through. When you taste it, you should not feel any floury granules on your tongue. Keep stirring until it's fully dissolved. And let's give it a taste. It's good. I need to add in a touch more salt to that, so another pinch of salt, and that'll be good. Now the sweetness depends on you. You always go ahead and add in a teaspoon or two of sugar. But for me, this is fine. To the mango puree, we have just added sugar, and now we're going to add in the Agar Agar powder. And we'll just put in a little at a time. Keep stirring. So let's turn down the heat slightly, and you're gonna keep stirring. We don't want any of the Agar Agar to get stuck on the bottom, and we want it to be smooth and free of any lumps. Now that our two bases are prepared and are sitting in hot water to prevent them from solidifying, let's fill these cups, and here we make the mango coconut layered version. So don't let it set fully, otherwise they will separate. So here goes. Start with the mango layer. Try to work fast, try to work clean. So before we put the next layer, you want to make sure that it's not too soft. Otherwise, here's an example of what will happen. It will just sink to the middle, and that's what you don't want. So make sure it's partially set, and then put in your next layer. And will sit right on top, just like that. Now if it's completely set, the layers will separate, and that's if you're gonna put it in a mold, take it out, you will find that they slide right off each other. That's not what you want happening. So I'm just gonna place a couple of them. I'll finish with a mango topping, and then some of them I'll leave them with a coconut topping, just for a bit of a contrast. So for the other color, we're going to use pandan. Now I used the frozen, but the actual pandan leaf in the seeping of the coconut milk. And now I'm going to use this product. It's basically an essence, like a pandan flavoring, and it has the color. So this is what we're going to use, and create another color. And over here I've mixed a nice green color into the coconut milk. It's so simple. So again, like we did before, we'll go in with the white, with the coconut cream. Okay, let's
Dear friends, this completes the recipe. How easy and simple it was to create this delicious mango and pandan jellies. No refrigeration necessary. Thanks for watching.